Pero nagko-commute kami ngayon. Ito kami sa MTR. Yun lang. Ayun.
Yeah. Oh, darling, stay with me tonight. Guess it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand, but I still need love.
Tapo ng basura si Kuya Sultan.
So naglalakad kami dito sa Hong Kong. Siyempre
Hindi na yung
nakapagod.
kasama ko.
Naka-red dot pala yun
Play
ako.
na, nakakabuisit.
Pero ito yung makikita nyo dito. Grabe, ang taas ng building na to. Sabing. Grabe, sobrang liwanag dito mga sir. Rian, say hi. Liwanag. Wala akong makita. Sa silaw din ako eh.
These nights never seem to go quite as planned. I don't want you to leave, just hold my hand. Oh, just stay with me. You know you're all I need. This ain't love, it's plain to see. But darling, stay with me.
So, ito yung kamay ni Jackie Chan. Mas malaki pa yung kamay ko kay Jackie Chan. Yo, everybody. Dito kami sa Avenue of the Stars.
Avenue of Stars. Ganda.
Malay ko, basta yung Avenue of Stars. Lian. Punta kami kaway dito eh, kahit wala namang kinakawayan. Hay nako. Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Clock Tower.
Lock Tower? Damn,
Here.
Tower of
But
Lock.
going to the pier, we're going to Central later. Via ferry.
What she said. Yan. Look at the view. Pero upo muna kami dito sa bench
Na nangangalawang.
na pwedeng tulugan ng homeless. Ayan, may request tong babae na to nung kahapon pa. Tignan nyo daw to ang gagawin niya.
Watch and learn.
Dali.
Nawala pa tayo kasi nag-video ka agad eh. Mira, it's a apple cake. Let's try. Hindi ko alam kung gagana eh.
Sabi mga ordinaryong tao. Ito lang tita Ara, ito dito.
Yung octopus scarlet.
That's all, folks.
Stay with me, stay with me. Why am I so emotional? No, it's not a good look. Can't find control. And deep inside, I know this never works. But lay right here, girl. Ease this hurt. Won't you stay with me? Yeah. 'Cause you're all I need.
daw yung longest escalator in the world.
Central.
So, andito kami ngayon sa yung pagkasinta daw ito na ginong attraction. So, ayun na.
Were inmates, murderers, prisoners, criminal guards, bandits, and unruly sailors, as time went on, for your peace.
Wow. Ang lapit pa eh. Oh my gosh. Hindi.
I don't need forever, just a moment tonight. You don't have to love me, girl.
So yun, nakikita niyo yung pwesto na yan. Yan yung clinic ni Dr. Jose Rizal dati. Yan lang.
'Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see. But darling, stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. Oh, darling, stay with me.
Lakad lang kami. Ito naman.
Last na to. Kuya na after. Baby, dito kami binili ng bracelet ng naka-office maker eh.
Another one.
Baby, yung bag mo.
Restroom. Ang ganda dito. Oh. So, nag-CR ako dito sa Baba Camp. So, ang lamig. Grabe, ang lamig dito. Sobrang lamig.
Guess it's true, I'm not good,
Go ahead.
but I still need love. Baby, I'm just
Sabi mo.
these nights never seem to go quite as planned. I don't want you to leave, just hold my hand. I want you to stay. You know you're all I need. This ain't love, it's plain to see.
So, dito kami sa Libreng Sky Terrace.
With me, stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. Why am I so emotional?
Teka, maybe tingin tayo dito.
balance yung uga para
Babang! Ito yung matisalan eh.
Bakit ganun mo, ano? Ba't ganyan yung itsura niya? Parang basta.
Tama. Kasabay kami dito, naliligaw daw. Ito. Si Ann. So, naghanap kasi kami ng karpentero sa bahay. Baka makikilala ka. Di ba mahilig ka sa hammer? Tita jokes. Tol, ito sabihin ko sa'yo. May problema kami sa internet. Ano bang masabi mo? Hehehe. Joke lang. Tingnan niyo kung nasaan naman ako. Ayop. Boss money!
Doing shots, tripping fast, and then you talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me. Trust me, I'll give it a try. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on.
Thanks, Boss MJ! Hello, mga sir. So, nandito ako sa video ko lang ulit mamaya. Pero ito. Hello! So, nakapila na kami dito sa The Peak Tram. Medyo mahaba. Tapos ang lamig, as in sobrang lamig. Tapos wala pa akong paa. I mean may paa ako pero hindi siya 100% power. Kasi ngayon na-aksidente ako. So yun lang. Update ko kayo ulit. Maya. Nakatusan tayo magtapon. Tapos bibili tayo sa 7-Eleven. Ito lang get up ko. Ang jacket ko. Tapos yung black shirt. Tapos pantulog na shorts. Dito pala kami nag-i-stay. Okay.
This ain't love, it's clear to see. Yeah, but darling, stay with me.
Ayun lang naman yung Watsons. Nasa tapat lang. Tapos yung 7-Eleven dun sa may pabalik. So, check natin. Sarap pala bumili dito. Kasi hindi din nila maintindihan kung ano yung hinahanap. Parang meron siyang local name. Pabunin ko to. Dito kasi ako sa kabila.
You don't have to love me, girl.
Ang
Just
sakit.
keep me in the light. Stay with me.
So, nabili ko naman ata lahat. Yung iba lang, hindi siya parehas sa parehas ng pinapabili sa akin. Kasi meron ng fiber jelly. Bumili na lang ako saging. So, ito yung rosa ko ng tutuluyan namin. Sige po. Sige, ano po. Okay, update ko na kayo ulit pag